Okay, so coming into session today, let's look where we are. So on a daily time frame, clearly bearish. Okay, pushing down, created a new swing high as well right there. So I'm looking for lower prices. Probably my next target, just eyeballing it, I would say this area right there, this order block. So we could be heading there as a target. Um, in terms of the whole leg, it looked kind of bullish, but my daily bias method says bearish, so I'm just going to follow that. And I'm going to be looking for sells. So let's see on the 1 hour, what are we looking for? So we have like a supply zone right there, and we have hourly liquidity resting above here. Okay, but on the 15, I'm pretty sure it'll be clearer. There, okay. So on the 15, we have this area of sell side liquidity, sell side or buy side? Buy side, sorry, buy side liquidity resting right there. So we'll just call that the liquidity rate. So I'm thinking that we could potentially sweep this and then carry on going down for lower prices. Now on Forex Factory, there is no major news, but on TradingView, it's showing that there is news at five major news. But I'm gonna go with Forex Factory. I don't really look at the trading view one, so we can actually hide the event. But there is CPI dropping at 8:30 New York time, so make sure to watch out for that. I'm gonna be looking at seeing if we can take out some buy side liquidity above there during New York, and then eventually go down too. But it all depends. Maybe London will create a nice setup, creates the high of the day, and then New York like chops around, and then yeah, we'll see if we can get into any New York setups. But pretty much this is what I'm looking for right now in London session, and in the next 20 minutes is gonna start, and yeah, let's see what happens.